Okay, this is one of those, I'm not sure what the setting is. It's 60 frames per second. My son showed me that says it's a lot better viewing. So let me know what you think when you see this. So this is a reciprocating saw. One of my customers gave it to me. I don't know, it doesn't seem to have anything wrong with it. He said there was something wrong with it, but I've been using it. So what I'm doing is I'm doing a little bit of logging, very small scale. I've learned from watching Axemen and stuff like that, you make a base cut in there. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. And then I back cut it a little bit. And then I just tried to pull on it a minute ago. It wasn't quite ready, so I cut the back a little bit more. And I tied a rope to it. And I want to pull it away from the shed. I don't want it landed on the roof. Now the next one, that next one going up there, I'm gonna have to have my big ladder or something. I don't know how I'm gonna get that one, but we'll see what we can do with the next one. So timber. Then I just take that reciprocating saw and then cut these so that they're laying in a pile. Let's zoom back if I can. So that they're laying in a pile, oriented, so it'd be easy to pick them up in a little while. I'm gonna work on it. I got a whole bunch of stuff to do. All this ivy and stuff's got to go away from the fence. These wine trees are taking over. All that's got to go away, destroying the fence there. So that's what I'm doing. A bit of gardening with a bit of a sawing. So I don't know if that helps you or anything, but it's working for me. Okay. Talk to you later.